This is your week 8 update. Well, this is a big week. This is exam week. Exam 2 is going to be this week. All right? Well, before we get to that, let's first of all talk about last week's video question. And it had 5 parts. The first part was, what is the formula for price elasticity demand? Well, the formula for price elasticity demand is, let me write this out here, percentage change in quantity demanded of a good divided by the percentage change in price. We're trying to determine how responsive quantity demanded is to changes in price. And if it's not very responsive, it's inelastic. And that brings us to our second question. If a good is inelastic in absolute terms, is its elasticity coefficient less than 1, equal to 1, or greater than 1? Well, if it's inelastic, its elasticity coefficient, E of D, is less than 1. All right? And why is that? Because it's not very responsive to changes in price. This brings us to the third question. If a good is inelastic, what is the good's relationship between percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price? Well, if it's inelastic, that means that the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price. For instance, if price goes up by 10%, quantity demand would go down by, let's say, 8%. All right? It's not very responsive to changes in price. The fourth question was, if a good is unelastic in absolute terms, is its elasticity coefficient less than 1, equal to 1, or greater than 1? Well, if it's unelastic, E of D, its elasticity coefficient, would be equal to 1. And what does that mean? Well, that brings us to the fifth question. If a good is unelastic, what is a good's relationship between percentage change in quantity demanded and percentage change in price? Well, that means if it's unelastic, the percentage change in, let me rewrite this again, it's percentage change in quantity demanded equal percentage change in price. What that means is, if price was to go up by 10%, then quantity demanded would go down by 10%. All right? Well, let's go on to talk about what's happening this week. Like I said before, this is an exam week. Exam 2 is this week. Exam 2 will be open for the taking between 12:01 a.m. Tuesday, October 15th through 11 o'clock p.m. Wednesday, October 16th. Exam 2 is a closed book and closed notes exam. The exam consists of 33 multiple choice questions and is worth 100 points. You will have 1 attempt and 55 minutes to complete the exam. The exam will cover the following chapters. The first chapter is economic efficiency, government price setting and taxes. The second chapter is externalities, environmental policy and public goods. And the third chapter that will be on this exam is elasticity, responsiveness of demand and supply. All right? Well, if you have any questions, send me an email. I wish you all good luck on the exam. Make sure to finish the exam. Make sure to complete the exam before the exam window closes. Good luck, everyone. Thank you, and have a good day.